Hello, and this is a video to show how to solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. So, this is completely forgetting all of the other sides, just one side. This is a video for beginners on the Rubik's Cube. Right, so what we're going to do is, well, let's go for white, just because it's easy to see. So, we're going to go for the white in the middle, simply because that just gives you a border to go around. So, you get simple moves just to get a couple onto that face there, like say there's one there. You can move that round from the face, and as you can see, if we go over, there's one there. Move it round, and that's on the face. Any more like that? Yep, one there. Move it round on the face, and yeah, right. Now we're going to learn our first simple move. So, as we can see, there is one, hang on, if we move it up like this, there's the face. If we move this one down here, you'll find quite a few along this bottom edge, right from the bottom of the face. These ones on the bottom here, you're just going to focus on that one, forgetting all the other words for the moment. You need to put it below a space on the face. Space on the face. And what we're going to do is stuff that simple move. Going to move it round 2 spins, just out of the way, so it's at the back there. Right. Then we're going to move this one down like that. Then we're going to move that bottom one straight back, so it's added to that line. Move it up, and there it is. Right. You're gonna sometimes you'll find one on the bottom, which is you're gonna think it's a pain in the arse. It's really not. All you've got to do is move this one round to where there's a space on the top, where your face is. Move it round. There it is. Move that round. Then move your face back. So now it's not on the bottom anymore. Right. As you can see, one's on the bottom, put them below the face. But when it's in the middle, below the face, you'll only move it one turn. You'll then move the middle one down, not like this. You have to move that one back, so it's just the middle that's moved. You've got to turn it, bring it back. There we go. Right, so we've got another one in the corner here. Turn it to where there's a space. Move it 180 degrees. Move this down. Turn it another 180. Move it up. It's been added. Alright, where's the others? Alright, you'll find a few like this, where there's one there and one there. What I generally do is, just because it makes it a hell of a lot easier, it's just, I know this will sound strange, but I muck it up a little bit. I'll turn that, turn it round, turn it back, so it's taken one off the top face, but it's just made it a bit easier, right. So you've got one in the middle here, there's a space, move it 90 degrees, move the middle one, turn, it's on the top face, another one there, move it to where there's a space, turn it 180, turn it down, another 180, there we go. Now we've got one more, and this one's a simple move. There it is, it's in the space, turn it 90 degrees, move just the middle one down, turn it 90 degrees, and there is your first side. Thank you.